So hi guys, these are some previous nail tutorials that I've done that a lot of people seem to like. So I just decided to do another nail tutorial today. So today I'm starting with regular nails, and I'm going to manicure them slightly just by cutting and filing them down. I learned that my nails stay longer, the fake ones, when my nails are dry and there's no like extra dirt or anything to basically break up the nail glue, and they last longer for at least a week. And so this is just a clean product, making sure that my nails are not wet or moist. So these are the pre-shaped coffin nails. They're pre-shaped already. I got them from Amazon. They there's so many of them. They like this whole thing is like a whole year old. So what I do is I match up the numbers to my fingers. It doesn't matter what number, because sometimes your nails are bigger, sometimes they're smaller. So this is the number 1 that I normally use for my thumb, because I like them to kind of slide perfectly into my nail bed to make them look more like natural, like more professional looking. So I'm just trying each one on. Sometimes I use the same number for different fingers, even though the finger is obviously bigger, but I like for them to not look bulky and big and oversized, because when I file them, I want them to look a little, more narrow, because this is a coffin shape. So I have them laid out, as you can see. This helps you quicker. And this is the Nail Speed Maximum Speed by Kiss. This is the best glue. So now I'm showing you guys how I apply. This is one way that I used to do it. I used to just, put the nail glue all over my nails, and then I'll just press down for about 10 seconds really hard, which does work, but I found that there are still air bubbles. Now this is the newest technique that I've been trying lately, and I love it. I put a little bit in the fake nail bed, and then I start focusing on the tips and the middle and the sides of my real nail, and then I slide the nail on flat, starting at the cuticle and then pressing down for 10 seconds, and it is just perfect. Like, you see that the nail glue is evenly distributed all over my nail. There's no air bubbles, and it looks more professional instead of that with the air bubbles. That was the comparison. So I'm just going to do this a couple more times. I'm focusing on the tips of my nail bed, the middle and the sides, and then I'm going to add the nail, and voila, perfect. Like, this is a nail hack to get perfect even distribution of the nail glue with fake nails. Now this is how they look for now. I mean, clearly we're going to polish them, so it doesn't matter. This is a nail polish that I'm using. This is a nice nude, and I'm using a top coat and a base coat, because that makes your nail polish last longer. Now, cutting them down, I was like, wait a minute, girl. I don't know, because they're already perfect, but I mean, I cut them down because I cannot slay life with long nails. Shout out to you girls who can, but I cannot do the dragon nails. I just cannot. It just does not work. So this is a better way to cut your nails down, using a clipper, because sometimes when you use scissors, they'll pop off if you didn't put the glue on perfectly. So this is just my little technique on how to create coffin nails. I do have actual acrylic professional type videos that I've actually done already on here, so you can check those out in the description box. I'll link a playlist, but this is just my technique to make shape the nail in a coffin shape. And it also makes them a little thicker when you kind of file it like this. As you can see, it makes them look more natural and real. And this is just how they look after I filed them. They still look good. They still look like they came out of the box. So now I'm applying the nail polish. This is nothing spectacular. I mess up all the time. I just use Q-tips off camera to clean up the area, or I'll use my other nails to kind of make it perfect around my nail bed. But this Insta-Dri nail polish is really nice. And it was really hard for me to find a nude that matches like my complexion. So when I saw this in the store, this was the closest, and I said, okay, I have to try this one, because I have one from Wet n Wild, which is nice, but it's just more gel-like, and it was kind of thicker. So I wanted one that dries a little quicker. But a top coat, a fast-drying top coat, will be perfect. So that's basically it. But this time I'm actually going to show you guys the struggle of my left hand, and also making I meant to say, make sure you guys add nail polish at the tip of the nail, because sometimes if you leave that out, it'll be like white or clear. And make sure you get the sides of the nail bed also. I just love watching these types of videos. It's just so satisfying. Especially when the top coat comes, it's like, yes, we're almost done. And yeah, after struggling going super slow on my left hand, that's basically it for the whole tutorial. This is how they looked with the top coat. They're actually still wet, but they're really nice looking still. Comment below with your favorite nail polish color, and comment below if you think that I did a good job. And also make sure you check out my previous tutorials. I actually have real acrylic professional nail tutorials. So thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.